Are you a Sagittarius woman trying to figure out your career path in 2025? Are you searching for something that aligns with your adventurous spirit, boundless curiosity, and love for freedom? In this video, we'll dive deep into the 20 best careers for Sagittarius women in 2025 that play to your strengths as a bold, independent trailblazer. And if you stick around until the end, we'll reveal a secret tip that can make any job the perfect fit for your fiery energy. Sagittarius women are a unique blend of optimism, intellect, and independence. Represented by the Archer, you aim high and are constantly on the move, both mentally and physically. You thrive in environments that challenge your mind, fuel your curiosity, and allow you to explore new horizons. But here's the catch: routine bores you, and overly structured jobs can feel suffocating. You crave flexibility, purpose, and the chance to make a difference. So if you're ready to align your career with your adventurous nature, let's explore 20 career paths that will empower you to succeed in 2025. Let's kick things off with number 20. 20. Life coach. Sagittarius women are natural motivators, with a talent for helping others see the bigger picture. As a life coach, you can guide clients through personal and professional challenges, helping them unlock their potential. In 2025, the demand for life coaches specializing in work-life balance, mindfulness, and career transitions will soar. With your wisdom and empathy, you'll shine in this role. 19. International aid worker. Your compassion and love for exploring different cultures make you perfect for this career. Whether working in disaster relief, education, or healthcare, this role allows you to travel and make a tangible difference. In 2025, global crises will continue to require skilled and passionate individuals like you to bring hope and solutions to those in need. Would you ever consider working abroad to help others? Let us know in the comments. 18. Wilderness guide or outdoor educator. Sagittarius women love nature and adventure, making this a dream career. Leading wilderness expeditions, teaching survival skills, or organizing ecotourism trips combines your love for the outdoors with your natural leadership abilities. In 2025, people will seek outdoor experiences to reconnect with nature and escape the digital world. You can inspire others to embrace the wild. 17. Social media strategist. With your keen understanding of trends and natural charisma, you're well suited for a career in social media strategy. Whether you're working for a brand or freelancing, this role allows you to channel your creativity into campaigns that capture attention. From TikTok to Instagram, your ability to connect with audiences will be an asset in 2025. 16. Novelist or screenwriter. Your imagination and love for storytelling make you a natural writer. Whether you're penning novels, scripts, or blogs, this career lets you bring your ideas to life. In 2025, platforms like Amazon Kindle and Netflix will create even more opportunities for writers to showcase their work. You could be the next big storyteller. If you were to write a book, what genre would it be? Drop your ideas in the comments. 15. Flight attendant. Sagittarius women crave movement and exploration, and being a flight attendant allows you to travel the world while earning a steady income. In 2025, airlines will focus on enhancing travel experiences, and your natural warmth and adaptability will make you a favorite among passengers. 14. Technology innovator. Are you tech-savvy? Your intellectual curiosity and innovative thinking make you perfect for roles in technology. From AI development to app creation, you can be at the forefront of innovation. In 2025, fields like renewable energy and digital transformation will offer exciting opportunities to change the world. 13. Podcaster or YouTuber. Why not turn your charisma into content? As a podcaster or YouTuber, you can share your thoughts on topics you're passionate about, like travel, philosophy, or astrology. In 2025, the creator economy will thrive, and your unique perspective can attract a loyal audience. What topic would you start a podcast about? Tell us below. 12. Language interpreter. Your love for communication and languages makes interpreting a perfect fit. Whether it's for diplomats, businesses, or cultural exchanges, this role lets you bridge gaps between people and cultures. 11. Photographer. Capture the beauty of the world through your lens. Whether you're shooting weddings, wildlife, or travel, photography allows you to combine creativity with exploration. Scene 4. Top 10 careers for Sagittarius women in 2025. 10. Personal trainer or wellness coach. 9. Event coordinator. 8. Public relations specialist. 7. Research scientist. 6. Hospitality manager. 5. Motivational speaker. 4. NGO director. 3. Filmmaker or documentarian. 2. Psychologist. 1. Digital nomad entrepreneur. Scene 5. Conclusion. Find your path in 2025. With so many career options tailored to your adventurous and independent spirit, the possibilities for Sagittarius women in 2025 are endless. Remember, success isn't about fitting into a box, it's about creating a life that aligns with your passions and purpose. Which career excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Zodiac-inspired career insights. Next up, how Sagittarius women are redefining success in 2025. See you then.